Hello guys, my name is Lila and welcome to my channel. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lila from Lila Reads on Bookstagram. You can follow me there. So today I'm gonna show you my Fairyloot books from February. I'm a rep for Fairyloot until April. It was my first time being chosen as a rep, so I'm really excited. I really want to do a good job, so let's see how this works. And if you watch other of my videos, you will see that I say a lot of so, and because of that, every time I'm like editing and cutting the videos, I almost count every time I say so, and it was super weird. I don't know why I say so many times that word, because in real life I don't say it that much, I think. So I'm trying to say it less. I'm really trying to not say it. So let's get this unboxing started. Fairyloot February theme was rule breakers, and I know that we have a mug, but I don't know how it is, so let's see it. I already cut it here, so it was easier. Ta-da! Ooh, yeah. So, this is the spoiler cards. Super pretty. And I don't know how to start this. So, Serpent and Dove. I have the book, but I haven't read it yet, so I don't know if it's good. I hope so. Oh my god, this is hard to open. And wow, so pretty. So first, inside. Wait, I'm showing this. Yeah. So pretty. And the art. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Who made this? Wait, spoiler card. Okay, so Serpent and Dove mug. Artwork of Lou and Raid, and it was painted by Wild and Co. Oh, and the sketch inside is made by our dear Tara. It's so freaking beautiful. Like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna put it here. Next we have what is this? One does not simply walk into Mordor. Oh, it's a luggage tag. I don't travel that much yet. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so. And this is Travel in Style Mordor luggage tag. It was designed by Bookmarked Tattoos and Love You More Studios, and it's inspired by Lord of the Rings. I haven't read Lord of the Rings yet. I started to read Hobbit, but I didn't finish. So, yeah. but it's cool. Next, oh yes. This is freaking awesome. I'm gonna use this Friday. If you are into witchy vibes, you know that Friday is Friday 3rd. So, witchy sisters, let's hang out. And what is this from? Oh, it's inspired by Sorcery of Thorns by Margaret Rogerson. We see Silas as a cat sitting on a stack of books that represents the grimoires and thorns for Nathaniel. And that's freaking beautiful. It was designed by Tara as well. And it's so beautiful. Look, it's a cat. So freaking beautiful. Oh my god, yeah. What's next? Oh, I don't even know how to pronounce this. What is this? Lipstick? Oh, this smells so good. Strawberry Prosecco. Malachias. I don't know how to say this. Sorry, but it's so pretty. It's small, but it's pretty, and it smells really good. And where is this from? Oh, Bookish Lip Balm, exclusive for Fairyloot, made by Little Heart Gifts. Yes, and it's inspired by Malachias from Wicked Sense. Okay, that's why I didn't know how to say this, because I haven't read the books yet. Sorry. Next. This is beautiful. Oh my god. 9 of Cups. Beautiful. I don't know what that is, but not yet. And 10 of Cups. So beautiful. Oh my god. Like, so beautiful. What is this from? This is from this month's tarot cards. They are made by Gabriella Buchdozo, and they are inspired by Strange and the Dreamer series. I have that books on my TBR for like so long. I hope I can read them this year. I'm gonna put it here so I don't ruin it. What else? What? Oh. Never flinch, never fear, and never ever forget. The books we love, they love us back, and just as mark our places in the pages, those pages leave their marks on us. Too few centuries, too many books. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, so first this one, Jesus. So beautiful. I think this is sticker, yeah. Like this one, and then they are, I don't know, it's a J. Christoph, so I'll have to read my spoiler card to know what it is about, because I never know, right? And okay, Mia from Nevernight series by J. Christoph. Okay, Nevernight, y'all. She's known for breaking the rules, so 2 foil bookmarks and a sticker. And they are made by Noverentel. That's so freaking beautiful. Like, it shines. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but like, you know, it's so shiny. So beautiful. Oh my god. And the details. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Next, we have an art. What is this? This is pretty. Of course, I need my spoiler cards. And this is We Hunt the Flame art print. Again, it's made by Novorentel. We Hunt the Flame by Hafsa Faisal. Sorry, I never heard about it, but it's really pretty. I really like it. Yep, I really did. You gonna fold it? Yep. Okay, stay here. And let's go to the book. The book. Honestly, every time I check Fairyloot posts when they are announcing the theme and the book and all, I see a lot of people like, oh, I know which book is, and people ask me like, can you tell me the title and all stuff like that, but I never ask and I never know which book is. I kind of feel like Fairyloot boxes are like Christmas presents that you don't know what's inside. So I don't know, I guess it's better this way. I feel like if I knew the book, it will like spoil the surprise of it, you know. So I don't know, maybe that's just me, but yeah. Oh, we have art. Wait a second. Oh, we have more things. Oh yeah, more things. No, yes. Oh yes. First, the bookmark, February 2020. Rule breakers. What do we have more? The fairy scoop. Oh, this is the art, and the author actually wrote something, but I'm not gonna read it yet. And what is this? This is freaking beautiful. Oh, it's made by Julia Gardiner, and it says, after all, love is an excellent motivator to kill. Woo! Okay. Can we open this? Yes. Can I? I don't know what this is. Wow. Can you imagine? What is this? Holy damn. Oh, this is beautiful. Like, okay, let's start again. So we have this, and then we have this. Freaking beautiful. Like, oh my god. And him. Wow. Guys, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah, nah, I'm not sending this to anyone, so don't dream about it. Okay, let's go see the book. Chun, 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 chun. I see purple, by the way. Woo. The shadow between us. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, okay. So beautiful. So freaking beautiful. Oh, I love this color. I love this color. Like, oh my god. Look at this. It's so shining. I really like the details. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. It's really pretty. It doesn't have spray edges. I love it, but it's really cute. I really like this color. What is this about? Okay, what it says. Alessandra is tired of being overlooked, but she has a plan to gain power. 1. Woo the Shadow King. 2. Marry him. 3. Kill him and take his kingdom for herself. Okay, I'm gonna love this book. Like, you go girl, do it, like, oh my god. No one knows the extent of freshly crowned Shadow King's power. Some say he can command the shadows that swirl around him to do his bidding. Others say they speak to him. It makes me think of Azrael from Akotar. Yeah, I'm obsessed, sorry. Okay. Others say they speak to him, whispering the thoughts of his enemy. Regardless, Alessandra knows what she deserves and she's going to do everything within her power to get it. But Alessandra's not the only one trying to kill the king. As attempts on his life are made, she finds herself trying to keep him alive, long enough for him to make her his queen, all while struggling not to lose her heart. After all, who's better for a Shadow King than a cunning villainous queen? Guys, this book is gonna be awesome. Oh my god. This is gonna be freaking awesome. Yep. It really will. Like, I cannot wait to read this. Oh my god. Wow. I'm in love with this book. It was really cool. Like, wow. I hope they have like some kind of candle real soon for this book because this seems awesome. So yeah. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy it. Tell me if you got this book too, if you like it. Take care of yourself, take care of your books. I will see you next time. Bye!